Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me introduce you to the most beautiful flatware set from Selafun. This is the 48-piece matte black set, and it is absolutely stunning. I knew I loved it by the look of the picture, but when I opened the box to see this beautiful set, I was blown away at the stunning, beautiful matte black design. What I love about this set is it comes with your standard forks and spoons and knives, but it also comes with steak knives. So you have 8 complete flatware sets. This flatware set is great for everyday use. It is dishwasher safe and lightweight, so it's easy to use, but it's also beautiful if you want to use it for a more elegant dinner party. Of course, I was drawn to it because it was matte black, and I feel like that's truly a unique look to your flatware set and adds so much to the table. So if you're looking to impress your guests, pair it with a beautiful napkin and just elevate your dinner table to the next level. The matte black design gives it a sleek yet modern look. It's a sturdy set that can be used over and over again. This set is made of stainless steel with a titanium coating. It is absolutely beautiful and extremely durable. So if you're ready to set your silverware apart from the rest, check out this matte black set from Selafun. And that's my point of view.